Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, and this is a quick tip. We all know the feeling when you get the seat in your vehicle just right. Good recline, proper lumbar support, and the perfect distance from the steering wheel. Only have someone else drive and change everything. It's a good thing Cadillacs are equipped with a memory seating feature. Let's go over how to set and save that ideal position. For this demonstration, we're using a 2020 Cadillac XT6. The feature doesn't just remember your seat, but also the power mirrors and the power steering wheel. To begin, turn the ignition on, and then adjust the driver's seat, mirrors, and steering column to your preferred position. Then press and release the set button on the door. You'll hear it beep. Immediately press and hold the 1 button until it beeps twice, and your settings are saved. Repeat the process using the 2 button to set the memory positions for a second driver. You can even have the memory settings linked to the key remote and automatically recalled when you start the vehicle. To do this, go to Settings, Vehicle, Seating Position, and make sure Seat Entry Memory and Seat Exit Memory are turned on. The saved settings will now be linked to your key remote and automatically adjust everything when you turn the ignition on. To set up the Easy Exit Memory, put the vehicle and steering wheel in a position that will make it easy to get out of the vehicle. Then press the Set button, followed immediately by the Easy Exit button. When you open the door to get out, the seat and steering wheel will move, allowing you to exit with ease. You can now enjoy the perfect seating position every time you hop in your Cadillac. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other quick tips.